And COVID cases aren't the only thing going up across the state. Data from the Ohio Department of Health shows COVID-19 hospitalizations in the Miami Valley have risen 50% in a week. 2 News reporter Kristen Askow is in Troy to explain why.
Doctors say there could be a number of factors behind the recent increase in COVID-19 hospitalizations here in the Miami Valley, but they say they've also seen too many people letting their guard down against the virus too early. Data from the Ohio Department of Health shows 1 week ago, 61 people in the Miami Valley were hospitalized with COVID-19. As of Friday afternoon, that number has risen to 91 hospitalizations. Officials say this comes following a steady decline since January.
I think part of it is probably patients that or the public has just become a little, maybe lax with what they do.
Dr. Joseph Allen says in addition to that lack of caution, it's possible the COVID-19 variants are also playing a role.
We'll know more as time goes on, right? In the next week or two, we'll know, is this a behavioral thing where it continues to go up, or is this a variant thing?
Experts say any hospitalization increase is a concern, especially for diverse groups. Dr. Don Brannon of Greene County Public Health says in Ohio, non-whites are 2.5 times more likely to be hospitalized for COVID.
Potentially some greater risk factors associated with being in areas of lower access to health care. Certainly there are some other issues involved.
Although hospitalizations have recently increased, officials say the current levels are still much lower compared to other times in the pandemic.
Our hospitalizations are very low at this point, and that is certainly something that we're looking at on a hospital by hospital basis.
Data from the Ohio Department of Health shows a roughly 10% increase in hospitalizations statewide over the past week. In Troy, Kristen Askow, 2 News, working for you.